What's up people, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 for free staying from home. This method works worldwide and is completely suitable for beginners, so even you are never made a single penny in online, this method is very useful. So watch the video until the end so you can learn how to make $100 every single day from home. So also in this video I'm going to show you how to build a CPA marketing landing page. Yes, you're going to promote CPS offers, but I'm going to show you how you can build a free landing page, and you can promote that landing page anywhere you want, including social medias, and you can run advertisement for it if you want to. But this is my website. You can build a completely landing page to promote these CPS offers, and you can make money from it, guys. So watch the video until the end. Before that, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like and share. I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. I try to upload one video every day. Also, if you watch the video until the end, that you can win £10 PayPal money, guys. So in this video I'm going to promote CPA's offers. CPA stands for cost per action. All you have to do is promote any of these offers when customer put their email address, and you make money. All the customer, what you have to do is put the email address. They don't have to buy anything, they don't have to do anything. These companies need leads, basically email address. So if they put that email address, you earn this money. Now you can get these CPS offers from various network. In this video I'm using MaxPoint, but you can go with CPA lead or ad network, whatever network that you offer CPA offers, guys. So here basically I'm going to show you what offers I'm going to promote. This is the offer I want to promote. It's called Life Points. Life Points is a service site and it's work worldwide, and if you join and do the service you can earn free PayPal money. I'm doing it. I earned a couple hundred from that Life Points. Now these websites are branching into other countries, so all you have to do, you promote that, they use the link and sign up for a free account, and you make money, guys. So for example, you can see if you promote people in Thailand, you can make 95 cents, but if you promote on Singapore, you can make $2.80, and you can say various countries pay you various amount per lead. Again, in this video I'm going to show you where you can build a free landing page at the same time, and where you can promote it for free, guys. So why I am promoting a Life Points? The Life Points I'm promoting because I earned like I said before, I earned lots of money from it. So this is my account. You can see this is my dashboard. At the moment I have the 1034 points. So if I refresh the page, you can still see my balance. It's not like a inspect element, something like that. And you can see these are the services are available, and you can see I can when it reached 1150, so I had it showed by 1120 points. After I did that, I earned £10 PayPal money. Normally this I do, guys, I do the service and earn £10 PayPal money from me Life Points, then I give it to you guys. So I like it. For the giveaway I could obtain money from here. These are my proof. You can see if I click show more and it's going over and over again, as a minus mean I withdraw that points to money. Now you see, because it's easy to earn money from this site, so I want to promote this site. I have enough experience about it, so this is very useful when you are start to promote these CPS offers, guys. Now I'm going to show you where you can build your landing page and how you can promote it. All you have to do now is you need to go to this website to create your free landing page. The website is called Google Sites. Go to Google and type Google site and click open this first link, and it will take to this page. And guys, Google site is one of the best website. Google site is one of the best way to promote affiliate offers if you are completely beginners and you don't have any money to buy domain and hosting, guys. All you have to do after create your free account with them, you can use any template that you want, or you can click this one called blank template. From that you can build your landing page very simple and easy. Now I'm going to show you mine. Here is my landing page. You can see all you have to do is if you click this. So for example, if you go back and click blank template, and it will take to this page where you can add informations. Now you can see this is your blank template. They ask you to add the title, or you can click background, you can change the image. So the same thing I did. I download the logo of the Life Points, I put it on the background, I didn't add any text. After that you can click this one called text box, and it's automatically at the text box here. Now after you click the text box here, you can add the text that you want. Here you can see I add the text. These text I copy and paste it from the Live Points website. Basically you can do the same here. You can do the same thing with your own niche, guys. After that, this is the image I add. Sign up, take surveys and get a reward. Again, I obtain this picture from here. I press the screenshot here, then I go to Canva, I crop that and download that into PNG. So click PNG, click transfer background, download that and upload it on here. After that, I add a text box again. I said countries are allowed. Here I said click the flag if you are from any of those countries. For example, at the moment I am promoting the 6 countries: Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, India and Singapore here. And if you go to max point, if you go to bottom here, there is other countries are allowed. Here you can say France, Hong Kong, Spain, UK. So you can promote offers if you want from here. Basically you build a landing page. After that, I'm going to show you how you can promote it. Now what you're going to do, you can add this flag. Basically what you're going to do here, and you can say come down there, it's the layout. You're going to click any layout you want. So you can, if you want to add 3 pictures at the same time, so you click this one, you can add it here, select here and download the picture. So you have to download that, upload pictures, select the image you want, upload on here. As the same thing you're going to do with all the boxes. If you don't want these boxes, you can click and delete it if you don't want, guys. Now this is a simple way I did it. After you did it, you need to insert the affiliate link inside these pictures and word. So what you do, go back to Max Bounty and click open the offer that you want to promote here. This is the offer. So for example, if I want to promote this Live Points from India, click open that, it will open here. And you need to be very careful with the link that you are selecting. They are allowed to display so banner images. So what you have to do, build tracking link. Tracking link here. This is for Max Bounty, but for the CPA lead or other websites, it's straightforward. You can just copy and paste the affiliate link. For Max Bounty, click that and you're going to select what type of traffic. So it's going to be a display, and you're going to click draw link, and this is your affiliate link. You copy that link and go to your landing page here and click open the image. Click 2 times and it will image link, it will be appear here. Click the image link, copy and paste the image and click apply. Then also for the word, click the word, highlight it, click the link here and insert the link inside. After you done that, so after you insert the affiliate link inside, what you have to do, click publish and your site will be published here. Now what you're going to do here, if they click any of these flag, it will take to the affiliate link. They sign up for the free account and you make money. After you build your landing page, and your landing page gonna look like this is your link. Also you can go back to your dashboard and click this one link. This is your link, so you can copy and paste the link in any social media you want, including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and again any social media that you are in, you can copy and paste the link, because they won't block your link, because this is not an affiliate link, this is a Google site landing page link, so they don't block that. Now what you can do, the two way that I try organic traffic to your affiliate landing page or CPA landing page is number 1 from YouTube. So basically you can go to YouTube and create a simple review of the product. So for the Live Points, you create a free account with your country. Then you can do, okay, this is how I joined and this how much I money made, something like that. Do the review. You can see this person did it and 34,000 views, guys. If you put this affiliate link inside here, there, if they join, they make money. So you can see lots of people did the review. I also did the review, but my website, my video is not here at the moment. But again, you can do the simple review, put the affiliate link, they join, you make money. If you go to Google and type Live Points review Quora, and you can see these are the people write a review on Quora, and you can write a review, you can write the answer. This is how much I money made. Then you put the affiliate link, they can join here. You can put the landing page link, not affiliate link, landing page link. Also you can go to Medium, write an article, so you post it on there, put the affiliate link inside, they will join and you can make money. So basic idea of this website is how to build a free landing page for CPA marketing, and this is a tutorial for complete beginners. If you want to make money online without spending any money, this is the best way. So you can promote CPS offers and you can make money from it, guys. This method works worldwide, anyone can do it. So try it out and let me know in the comment section. Also, if you watch the video until the end, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, share this video. Also leave the comment I like this video or anything that you want me to make a video on that. And if this video get 100 likes, I will do the £10 giveaway. Under that, Have a good day. See you next video.